welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this quick and easy cowrie bracelet with an adjustable bead. So what you need two strings of the same color, preferably. I'm using these types of string. On the packet it says cameos string, so you can use any type of jewelry string that's available to you, and in terms of the cowries you can use any that's available to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my string inside the cowrie just like that, and I'm going to make a knot, make a circle, then insert the string in the middle that and pull. Oh no, sorry, just like that. Then I'm going to insert the other string also into the cowrie just like that, just the one side. I'm gonna pull it to the other side like that. I'm gonna pull it some more so that is like that. Then I'm also going to make a simple knot just like this. I make a circle, then I put this hanging in between inside the circle, then I'm going to pull just like that. Right, then after that I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure on my hand, right? So then I'm going to give myself some leeway, maybe just like that, but it's loose. Take it off. You take it off. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut somewhere, maybe like here, 2 centimeters, just enough so that there's enough cord. Even you can even cut at the end actually. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a stopper bead, then I'm going to insert insert the first 2 strings just like that. Then I'm also going to insert the other 2 just like that, kind of like that, so that it's easy for you to just put it in just like that. So all the strings are now in. So if I put it on my hand, if I take this down, put it on my hand like this, so I can cut literally. I'll give myself some leeway, or if you're making it for someone, you can just cut maybe like here, then it will be big enough. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first tie the 2 together, just in a simple knot. Nothing fancy at all, nothing fancy. Keep it simple. Then I'm gonna make another simple knot. Sorry. Then you pull. Then the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to simply cut. You can bend the ends if you want, it's really totally up to you. And that's it. The bracelet is done. These are some of the colors that I also made, but I ran out of stopper beads, and also I don't like this black stopper beads, so I'm actually going to look like for the same color. Like if it's a brown string, I'm going to use brown. If it's like purple, so that it's like kind of like uniform, or at least pick up the white. So instead of black, if you have white, you can use that. Otherwise, I think they're cute, something simple, and it doesn't take you a lot of time at all. So have fun. Okay, bye bye.